Hi there, I'm Sarah. Welcome to this Orgie Company video. Orgie vibrating products are the flagship on the brand's philosophy to deliver unprecedented sensorial sensations through most of its products. On this video, you will get to know all about the liquid vibrators Sexy Vibe. But before I get to the products, I want to quench your curiosity about the vibrating active ingredient that makes all Orgie vibrating products the most effective and best-selling on the market. The ingredient that provides the vibrating effect is the extract of jambu, a plant that is cultivated in north of Brazil, in the state of Amazonia and Pará. The origin of this plant is the Amazonia rainforest. It is historically part of the culinary culture of those northern states of Brazil, where there are farms dedicated to cultivating jambu. Orgie Sexy Vibe is a line of arousal intimate gels that contains the extract of jambu. There are 4 products with distinctive formulation and features delivering instant vibrating and tingling effects on the intimate areas in different levels on a scale 1 to 10, leading to a whirling of sensations and overwhelming orgasms. Off we go! Sexy Vibe Liquid Vibrator, the classic, it delivers instant vibrating and tingling effects level 7. Sexy Vibe High Voltage, the extra strong with instant vibrating and tingling effects level 10. Sexy Vibe Hot the Warming. This one gives you instant vibrating and tingling effects level 8 combined with warming sensation. And it is kissable thanks to a twist of strawberry flavor. Sexy Vibe Intense Orgasm. This one delivers multiple sensations, instant vibrating and tingling effects level 8 combined with warming and cooling sensations. Orgie Sexy Vibe are for couples of all orientations and self-love, and it is simple to use. Just apply a small amount on the intimate areas with a brief, gentle and stimulating massage. Orgie recommends starting with 1 pump dose and then adjust the dosage according to what feels more arousing and yet comfortable for you. Surrender to new arousal sensations and electrifying orgasms with Sexy Vibe liquid vibrators. Thanks for watching us, goodbye and dare yourself.